Here is app called Keet, private encrypted chat, secure messenger, no tracking, chat app for privacy and free speech, end-to-end encryption, P2P messaging, voice and video calls, no phone number required, no data collection, unlimited file size sharing, quick setup, works mobile and desktop. Keet is the chat app that knows nothing about you, a truly peer-to-peer way to connect. Your messages, files, and calls are shared directly between your devices, never through corporate servers. No central databases, no data mining, no one in the middle. Whether you're chatting with friends, family, on your team, Keet keeps your conversations private, fast, and completely under your control. True privacy by design. No servers, no data stored in the cloud. Fast direct connections P2P. So let's just, it's not the top app. I'm just showing it to you. People are looking for a lot of secure messengers these days. And then you can just search, you join with the link. Then seems you can just go and find someone, send a DM or something like that. And so I don't know whether this app is completely like so that's how you can invite someone. Well, I don't know whether this app is really secure or what is that, but just showing it to you, kind of. That's the app, very minimalistic. So try it out.